Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to give 360 feedback in Zoho People. Alright, first up, if you're an admin or a manager, okay, so what you'll do first is just go ahead over to the top right, click on the gear icon right here. Now go to performance, click on it, make sure to go to feedback and enable permissions right here. To whom can an employee give feedback? To anyone within the department or to all in the organization. Also, the feedback system right here, define who can share feedback on whom in your organization. Peer-to-peer means employees can share their feedback on an employee who belongs to the same department or organization, except for employees in higher positions in the organization hierarchy. 360 right here, as what the title suggests. Make sure that it is enabled as well. Employees can share their feedback on an employee who belongs to the same department or organization, including managers and employees in higher positions in the organization's hierarchy. You can enable anonymous feedback as well. Scroll down and the request feedback option. This option enables sending requests for feedback about employees from any other employee in the organization. Okay. Now, once that's done, you can now go ahead and give 360 feedback. Okay, so what you'll do is just go ahead over to home right here. Go to your team. Let's say this person right here. Click on three dots right here that says more. And here you have feedback. Click on it. Now go ahead and provide your feedback, or you can request the feedback. Okay. Write down your feedback right here. Maybe positive, negative, training, observation, reward. Select what you want. If you want to be anonymous, go ahead and click on the chat box right here. And once that's done, you can now go ahead and hit on send. There you go. Feedback added successfully. That is basically how you give 360 feedback in Zoho People. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.